What is the nasty of the Nasdaq?
Well, Sully, remember the theme dogs of the Dow? That was after a really tough year of some of the stocks in the Dow 30. You would find the dogs of the Dow and invest in those and see if they could get off the mat and have a bounce. Well, look at the nasty of the Nasdaq. Lucid, Tesla, AMD, and Nvidia. All yesterday, we did see a move higher. This goes a little bit against your 5 for 5 predictions for 2023, but short term, it looks like there's a little bit of life in these oversold, overextended names. Lucid, small market cap, no doubt about it, trading just under $7. But you also talk about Tesla. It's in the news every day. I've established a position in Tesla recently, and there is a lot of volatility, so be careful. But the nasty of the Nasdaq, short term, has the ability, as all four of these stocks we just talked about, Sully, they were in the 15th percentile, the worst 15th percentile of the Nasdaq 100 last year.
You know, I don't know if it goes against it, Jeff. One of the things I thought about writing up was that, you know, this is when you get all the best of the top picks list from all the Wall Street broker dealers and research firms and whatever. And I compiled a massive fact set spreadsheet of it. Some of these names are on the top picks list. I don't know if that makes me happy or nervous if I was an investor. But my point is, when they're on the top picks list, particularly Tesla, they're going to be pushed by the sales traders, right? I mean, they could get a little nudge from Wall Street.
Absolutely, and I think you have to put your trading cap on here versus your long-term investment cap here. So when you talk about these type of names, these are high beta, high volatile names. And if you look at NVIDIA, hard to believe, Sully, is actually a larger market cap than Tesla. So this is a short-term type of opportunity where I'm seeing oversold in all four of these names. But when you think of the bigger picture, we're so susceptible right now. Fed Chairman Powell, he's going to be at some symposium over in Sweden today. So we're going to be focused and locked in there. And what happened yesterday? We saw a technical move higher in the S&P 500. You saw a little spring in the step of the bulls. We got above that 50-day moving average. And sure enough, you saw the wet blanket of the Fed presidents come out and talk about how it being higher for longer. So what I think is fascinating today and why I see this market being coiled and still have the potential to move higher is that if you look at the last 3-4 weeks of the trading session, it's become very coiled. And just like when you see energy or go into an engine, all that torque goes in an engine, it has to be released. And what's fascinating is look at the inputs on my short-term bullish thesis. We're seeing copper above $4. We're seeing the VIX under 25, and we're seeing a lower U.S. dollar. So I know we're focused on the Fed, but everything is setting up for us to go test that 200-day moving average up just under 4,000. It's going to catch a couple of the bears off step here as we go into earnings season.
All right, so let's say we hit these levels, then do we just fall back down? What happens if they turn out to be resistance? Or what happens if we bust through, stay there, test it, and then move higher?
Well, that's my cautious optimism this year in 2023, Sully. I don't think we retest the lows in October. Look at the 10-year note. You know, I spend a lot of time trading U.S. futures. And when you see that 10-year note still hunkered down at 3.5% from where it was, think about the velocity in that move. We're seeing it settle in. We're seeing the digestion. Therefore, I think we do have higher lows in the S&P 500 as we move forward in January. And if January ends up being a good year, post-midterm election, we are set up to have a higher year unexpectedly. I know expectations for more of a recession. I'm in the soft landing camp, so I know I'm looking at things much more optimistically than most, but I think it's due to the fact that we have such pessimism in the marketplace right now. Sentiment has soured so much. So if we see a little bit of an uptick in the wake of this earnings season with all the other factors I just talked about, that does bode well for the bull, Sully.